this is what we'll be designing using my smartphone. So let me start from here. Let me delete this. The size is 5,000 by 5,000 pixel. Yes, that's the size of the Instagram post that I used. So I'll go to upload and bring in my picture. Yeah, so this is the picture I'm going to use. So I'll put her here. Okay, then I'll come here, call for workers. So I'll call back here. I'll go to test. I'll go to test, call. I'll type in call. Okay, so I'll click out. It's small, right? I'll stretch out and I'll increase the size and I'll bring it here. Call. So I'll go to fonts. I want peace sign. So this is it. This is what I'll use. Then I'll duplicate, bring it down. Workers. Okay, then I'll go to format, cap lock. Everything should be capital letter and capital letter. Then I will, so this is it. Then I'll shrink it. Then I'll go to spacing. I'll go to line spacing. I'll reduce line spacing. You can see it. I'll go back to format. Everything left alignment. See it. Then this one too. I'll click on this one. Let me close this. I'll click on this one, press it down, select multiple, click on the second one, go to position, left alignment. You see it? So I'll make sure this is big. I want this to be big. This is it. Then I'll go to elements. And get circle under line and shape. Under shapes, just click on see all. You see circle under shapes. So click circle. Yes, this is the yellow color that I want. So I will just make it small and bring it near call. Still make it small. Yes, bring it here and duplicate this. I can duplicate this and I'll type 4 and I will reduce it. Let me click out. I will stretch it. Just stretch your phone like this. Zoom out and reduce. Bring it in, reduce and put it in. So you can still stretch out and increase the fonts, increase the size 4. So that is it. So we are done with that. 4. Okay, I'm done with that. So what next? Let's go back. Then we look for square. We need 2 square. So I'll come here, go to elements, shape. Under shape, pick this first square. Okay, click out. The first one will be small. Put it here. And second one, make sure it's under the worker. Then second one, you bring it, you duplicate and bring it down and make sure it's as you can see here. So this is it. So kitchen assistant retrace, I'll just copy. Let me just copy. I will just copy and come here. I'll close this one. I'll come here and duplicate. I'll press down and paste. So okay, so this is it. I'll try to zoom out and put it here. I'll go to nudge and nudge it very well. Duplicate so that I can reduce the time I'm going to spend on this video. The font that I use there is Quicksand. Let's go to the fonts. Quicksand, that's the font I use. You see that's the font I used. So then the font size is 91, which I can also reduce to 79 or 80. Let's use 80. Yes, then I will leave it like that. Then I will also come here, duplicate this, or I'll delete. Let me come back here again. requirements. I'll click on this, select multiple with the text, and I'll copy. I'll close. I'll come here and I'll paste. Okay, then I'll adjust it. So you can see now. Then this square is too sharp. I don't like the edges. The edges is too sharp. So I'll come a corner 8. Then close it. I'll close it. Go to nudge. I'll go to nudge. Sorry, I'll click on it, then go to nudge. And yes, see it. Okay. Then these two, the other one, this other one, I'll go to corner. I'll click on it. Let me remove this. I'll go to corner 8. You see 8. Then I will take this back. So okay, so this is it now. So I don't have enough space, so I will group everything. I'll group everything together. I'll group everything together. Let's group everything together, or you can just I wish I can group everything together. I'll bring this out. Okay, so this is it. 4. Put it here. Stretch it out so that you can do it very well. 4. Make sure it's at the circle at the middle, then bring it up. Then this so that I can have. So I'll click on the box, on the shape, select, and the text. And with the text, I'll group it. You see it? Then I will take it up a little. Then what else? I'll click out. I need to group these two. Select, and select. I'll group it and I'll bring it in. You see it now? So that is that. Very simple to create. Then I'll go to there's another thing that I need. Then before the call to action, I'll go to elements and type white fade. So white fade, so let's count. See all. Go to see all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 6 spots. That's one you pick. So this is the one we need. So this is it. So this is it. You see it now. So this is it. I will now go to effects. Dual tone. I'll click on pop. You click on the setting. You come here and change the color. Or sometimes it's just better that before you do what I've done, before you do, you just copy the S code and you do it. But I will teach you how to do that next time. So you go to application, go to the back, then this other one to go to the back. So yes, this anti is here. So let's leave this anti like this. So what else do we need to do? Our call to action. So I'll go to element again, go to elements, pick my shape, then I'll bring it down. My call to action. This is my call to action. I'll corner it 8. Let's say 8 or 9. 9 is okay. Then let me copy the call to action. This is my call to action. Copy. I'll come here and I'll paste it. I'll paste my call to action. I'll close this. You see it? I want my color, this box to be white. Yes, but you can choose to use yellow, but I'm using white. So remaining one thing that we have to do after the call to action. After the call to action, the logo and the flare, yeah. So I'll come in, go to element and pick white flare. Let me go to see all first. See all. White flare. I use white flare. This is it. How do I get to know the name? How do I get to know? So let me just come here, click on more, click on info so that we can know the name. Click on info, spotlight beam. So this is it. So I'll close it. I'll just rotate it. Where is it rotating? So this is it. I'll rotate it to the back of the woman. So this is it. I want the attention to be on all to workers. So I'll put it here and I will get position to the back. To the back. So she's fine. The attention is on to the worker and I don't want people to see where the direction is coming. So you see it now. So that is it for that. Then what else? We have logo. The logo. Don't mind me with my logo. Go to element and pick tomato. This is what I used. So this, just put this Oga, just put it in A. So we have to stretch out so that you can see what I'm doing here. Stretch it out. So click this one. This is it. Then you go to element and pick circle. Pick circle. Pick circle, reduce it. Reduce the circle. Okay. Send to the back. Okay. Okay, so we're not typing another thing. It's white. Let's change white. Then let's use yellow. Let me just click back, yellow. Then we type inside. We type inside it. Let's go to test. Let's go to test. Subheading. Let's create with me. With me. So that is it. Font node. Let's just pick this font node. So okay. So this is it. You bring it out. Bring it here. Just bring it here. Then go to effects. Go to effects. Go to shape. Go to curve. Then you don't want it to go up. And so this is it. So this is our semi logo. So that's it. Just let's manage the logo so you can do better. Anyway, I'll teach you how to do that. It's not hard. So this is it. This is it. Then you want to upscale. Yes, let's upscale. Effects. To upscale, you go to application. Click on go to application. Go to application. Upscale image. Upscale image. Want to upscale the image. You want the image to come out. So let's pick 4. Okay, it's already upscale. It's of high resolution already. So that's it. So that's it. It's very, very simple to create. So see you in the next tutorial.